In today's video, I'm going to be answering your Redbubble questions, especially questions where a lot of you guys have been wondering why after a long time you're still not getting sales. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if you are new around here, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button with the notification bell switched on. That way you won't miss out on any videos. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you're someone who's interested in this, I do actually have a free print on demand starter guide linked down below alongside a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. For those who may be new, if you have any questions you want to ask, I welcome any questions and you can ask them down in the comment section. Jumping us straight into it, we have the first question coming in from Inez saying, how can you know if a keyword is in the partner program? Now, I spoke about the partner program quite a few times, but to see which keywords are in the partner program, you can literally just go into the partner program section and it will literally show you which keywords you can work with. So just to show you a quick example, once you're on Redbubble, you just scroll to the very bottom and you want to click on partner program. Once you're on partner program, you want to click check out the entire list of brands that are engaged, and then as you look at the list, it will give you an idea of which things you can use or design for that are in the partner program. So let's say you want to use Rick and Morty as an example. Once you're in here, it shows you tag your work with, and these are the keywords you need to use. All the other niches that are linked in this also have similar information. So you see tag your work with, and it shows you what you need to use in regards to the keywords to allow your things to pop up in the partner program. Next question is coming in from Anino saying, is it possible to change your real name on Redbubble and still get paid without any problems? Now, if you choose a particular shop name, once you have a shop name, you can't change it at all. In regards of your actual name, it's a bit tricky to do. Right, so what you want to do if you want to make sure that your name is no longer showing up and your account username is showing up is you want to click on your logo and you want to go into account settings. Once you're in account settings on Redbubble, you want to go to edit profile. Once on edit profile, you see an option that says display name, and it will say always show my real name, and then another option will say always show my username. You just click on the option that says always show my username, and from that point onwards you should be able to see your username. Make sure that you have all your payment settings and everything before you go ahead and try to do this, as those options may not pop up otherwise. Next question is coming in from Isabella saying, can you tell me what you mean by trademark, license, live or dead? Right, I know what she's talking about here. She's actually talking about Trademark here, which is the website that allows you to trademark check keywords. Now, if a keyword is dead, it means that someone used to have a trademark for that keyword, but it's now run out. Now, if something's showing up as dead, I always say don't make designs for it anyways, because those people could potentially reactivate those things and it can cause you problems. If something is live, you definitely don't want to make designs for that. Next question coming in from Asma saying, I don't know what to do. I've got no sales. I'm so sad. By the way, my designs are so beautiful. What should I do? Right, okay, this is a problem that a lot of people have. Now, firstly, I just want to talk about the part where you mentioned that your designs are beautiful and you're not understanding why you're not getting sales because of that. You need to think to yourself, are your designs beautiful to you, or are your designs beautiful to the general market? Because there's a difference between things that are already working and things that you think look good, that you think might work. The best way to kind of counteract this, to see what actually is working, is to look in the different niches that you're in and to see which style of designs are working, and then to see if you are creating similar styles of designs in your own way that people could potentially go ahead and buy. Now, if you're confused in regards of what I'm talking about, I mean, there's the retro sun effect, which looks kind of like this. A lot of people tend to do it in their own ways, change up the colors sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's a very, very simple similar style that people have kind of adjusted to their own methods. This is something that's proven to work, and that could be one potential design style you can make your designs in. We've got the hope design style, which kind of looks like this, where people make designs in different niches and obviously they put them in this style, and this style tends to sell. And I'm saying this because I've got designs that have similar styles to this that have sold. For anyone who doesn't know what some of the best selling design styles are, I'll link a video down in the description where I talked about 5 of some of the best design templates you can use on Redbubble. So make sure to check that out after watching this video, of course. Next, we've got Anthony saying, okay, say you have 4 tags, 3 small, 1 big, and you make a few sales on the smaller tags. Would that boost your ranking in the bigger tag as well, even if you don't make any sales when someone searches that tag on its own? Thank you. To simply answer this one, yes. If you get sales at all, Redbubble sees you as a seller that could potentially make them money. So any keywords that you use within your tags, your designs will then get ranked up those certain keywords, even if at this given time you're not getting any sales for that particular bigger key phrase. Next up, we have Melissa saying, can we use these niches to create stickers? This was in reference to a video I made talking about Halloween based designs. Any video I ever make talking about niches, whether that's in relation to a holiday or whether that's in my top 10 trends of the week series, make sure to make stickers with all of those things if you can. I mean, it's something that I could recommend mainly because stickers are the best selling product on Redbubble for those who don't know. Next up, we have V3 Sue or Vesu, I'm not sure how you'd say that, saying, how do I find trends before anyone else? Do you use Twitter or something? Now, I actually mentioned what I do to find trends quickly before they blow up. I simply use Merch Informer. It is a paid subscription service, but I do actually make a lot more in sales than their subscription cost, so it's definitely worth using. If you're unfamiliar with what Merch Informer is, I'll link a video down in the description where I explain what it is in detail and what you can do if you're looking to check it out yourself. Next, we have AG saying, my Redbubble has been open for almost a year and I haven't made a sale yet. Do you have any advice on how to make that first sale? This is a great question, and it's something a lot of people struggle with. I mean, if I had to give you 3 main things to focus on to allow yourself to get your first sales, it would be to look into trends, look into what the best selling design styles are, and then look into making sure that you stand out in any niche that you're in. Those 3 things used effectively will allow you to actually get to your first sale. However, if you're still thinking, okay, I need more information, check out this video here as I talk to you guys about why I feel like 99% of the people that try Redbubble fail. If you made it this far, comment down more Q&As if you want more. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.